Thank you, International Director Vamshidhar Babu sir, District IPDG, and thanks Ajit for going through the certificate. Next, small break again. Before that, Lions Club of Doddaballapur, they wanted to recognize people. I request President Indra sir.
ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ 317Fನಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗೆ ಅತಿಯಾದ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಸೇವೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆದ ದೊಡ್ಡಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕೋವಿಡಿಂದ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. ಫೋಟೋಗಳು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈಗ 317Fಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕಾಣಿಕೆಗಳಾಗಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಫೋಟೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಕೆ ಹನುಮಂತರಾಯನವರು ಬಂದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಫೋಟೋಗಳನ್ನ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ. BS ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಸರ್, ಆಕಾಶ್ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಸರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಜಿತ್ ಬಾಬು ಸರ್, ನಂಬಿಯಾರ್ ಸರ್, ಅನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಿರಿಧರ್ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಅತಿಯಾದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಲಿನ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಆದ ದೀಪಕ್ ಸುಮನ್ ಅವರು, ಮತ್ತು LCF ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ ಆದ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡಿ. ಆಕಾಶ್ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಸರ್, ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಗಿರಿಧರ್ ಸರ್, ಈಗಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈನಮಿಕ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಆದ ನಂಬಿಯಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆದ ವಂಶೀಧರ್ ಬಾಬು ಸರ್ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಜವಾದ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಿಷನನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 9 ಇದೆ, ಈಗ 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ಲಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಲವೇ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಅವರು 30ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ವಚನ ತಗೊಂಡ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ನಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜಶೇಖರಯ್ಯನವರು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೌರವ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ದೊಡ್ಡಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಟೀಮ್, ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಅವರೇ, ಸೋಮಣ್ಣ ಅವರೇ, ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರೇ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ Nandakumar is come down in 5 minutes. Then we will enjoy Shalmili's wonderful song, Hindi, Kannada, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil. After a break, like.
Okay, hello everybody. So I think last time we've all met virtually. So it's nice to be finally standing here in front of all of you all. So yeah, I'll start off. So first hadu bandu it's a Kannada song. It's from the movie My Autograph. K.S. Chaitra ಅವರು ಹಾಡಿರೋ ಹಾಡು. It's an inspirational song, very beautifully written by K. Kalyan ಅವರು. So it's called ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ. There's some problem with the music, just 2 minutes. ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ ಆಲಿಸಿರಿ, ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ, ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಕಿರಣಗಳೇ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಿರಿ, ഇരുളിಂದೆ ಬೆಳಕುಂಟು ತೋರಿಸಿರಿ, ನಾಳೆಯ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಲಿ, ಗೆಲ್ಲುವ ಭರವಸೆಯೊಂದೇ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಲಿ, ಮನವೇ ಓ ಮನವೇ ನೀ ಅಳುಕದಿರು, ಮಳೆಯೋ ಬರಸಿಡಿಲೋ ನೀ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರು, ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ ಆಲಿಸಿರಿ, ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ಮನಸ್ಸು ಎಂಬ ಕನ್ನಡಿಯು ಒಡೆದು ಹೋಗಬಾರದು, ಬಾಳು ಒಂದು ಗೋಳು ಅಂತ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗಬಾರದು, ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲ ಕಳೆದ ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಯವಾಗುವಂತದು, ಉಳಿಪೆಟ್ಟು ಬೀಳುವ ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಲೆಯಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದು, ದಿನ ನೋವು ನಂಗುವ ಜೀವವೇ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದು, ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲೆದಾಟ, ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪರದಾಟ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕನಸು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಸಾಗೋ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಲವು ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ, ಮನವೇ ಓ ಮನವೇ ನೀ ಬದಲಾಗು, ಏನೇ ಸಾಧನೆಗೂ ನೀ ಮೊದಲಾಗು, ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ ಆಲಿಸಿರಿ, ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. all can clap. ನೋವು ನಲಿವು ಅನ್ನುವುದು ಬಾಳ ರೈಲು ಕಂಬಿಗಳು, ನಡುವೆ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಪಯಣ, ನಗುತ್ತ ಸಾಗು ಹಗಲಿರುಳು. ಏನೇ ಬರಲಿ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ಯೇಯ ಒಂದು ಜೊತೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಏಳು ಬೀಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ದಾಟಿ ಏಳುತ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವುಗಳು. ಅವಮಾನ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗುಂಟು ಈ ಲೋಕದ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಂದೂ ಒಂದೇ ಆ ದೇವರ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಾಳಿಗೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥವಿದೆ, ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗೊಂದು ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮಬಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇರಲು ಆಕಾಶವೇ ಅಂಗೈಲಿ. ಮನವೇ ಓ ಮನವೇ ನೀ ಬದಲಾಗು, ಏನೇ ಸಾಧನೆಗೂ ನೀ ಮೊದಲಾಗು. ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ ಆಲಿಸಿರಿ, ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಕಿರಣಗಳೇ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಿರಿ, ഇരുളിಂದೆ ಬೆಳಕುಂಟು ತೋರಿಸಿರಿ. ನಾಳೆಯ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಲಿ, ಗೆಲ್ಲುವ ಭರವಸೆಯೊಂದೇ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಲಿ. ಮನವೇ ಓ ಮನವೇ ನೀ ಅಳುಕದಿರು, ಮಳೆಯೋ ಬರಸಿಡಿಲೋ ನೀ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರು. ಆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Okay, so the next song is a Hindi song. Again KS Chaitra. Actually KS Chaitra ಹಾಡಿರೋ ಹಾಡು ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು. Most of my songs are KS Chaitra ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. So so the next song will be Tum Mile Dil Khile from the movie Criminal. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy it. Tum mile dil khile और जीने को क्या चाहिए, हाँ तुम मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए. ना हो तुम उदास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूँगी जिंदगी भर, ना हो तुम उदास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूँगी जिंदगी भर. सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझी में पाया, तुम मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए. जितनी यादा उतनी वफा, जितनी यादा उतनी वफा. एक नजर प्यार से देखो लो, फिर से जिंदा कर दो. तुम मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए. हाँ तुम मिले
तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगी जिंदगी भर, ना हो तुम उदास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगी जिंदगी भर। सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझी में पाया, तुम मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए। हाँ तुम मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए।
Thank you. Okay, so how many of you here who follow Telugu? Okay, that's quite a few. Actually, when Arvind uncle told me, I don't follow Telugu actually. But I heard this one song which actually I really liked. So I thought, I had decided yavagladru idna present ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. So when Arvind uncle told me there are many Telugu people in the house today, so I decided so today will be the day anta. So it's a new song. It's called Samajavara Gamana. It's an Allu Arjun song. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy.
నీ కాళ్ళని పట్టుకు వదలనన్నవి చూడే నా కళ్ళు, ఆ చూపులనల్లా తొక్కుకు వెళ్ళకు దయలేదా అసలు. నీ కాళ్ళకి కావాలి కాస్తాయి కటుకల నా కళలు, నువ్వు నుల్లు ముత్తుంటే ఎర్రగా కంది చిందే సెగలు. నా పెరిగాలికి అలలుగుతుంటే ముంగురులు, నువ్వు నెట్టేస్తే ఎలా నెట్టుచబెట్టే నిష్ఠురపు విలవిలలు. సామజవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా, మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా. సామజవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా, మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా. నీ కాళ్ళని పట్టుకు వదలనన్నవి చూడే నా కళ్ళు, ఆ చూపులనల్లా తొక్కుకు వెళ్ళకు దయలేదా అసలు.
And after Solomon is allowed to write to Shamsi, I don't follow the language, but this was for all of them.
She'll end up with Tamil song now. Yeah, you can go ahead. We'll conclude that. Okay. Manohar Nambiar, District Governor, you are there? Okay.
Okay, so the next song is a Tamil song, like Father said. It's a classic song actually from movie Roja. Any guesses? I'm sure not already. Okay, yes, so as you see, Chitra Chitra has it. It's from the movie Roja, composed by A.R. Rahman, as you all know.
than the schedule what we have planned like. So now, the guests are there with us. All the guests are there with us. I request our district IPDG Deepak Suman to, and his better off Sindhu Suman, please come to the dais, please. Ajit Babu. Ajit Babu, please. Rajshekhar sir. Nagraj sir. Manohar Nambiar sir. Vamshi sir. I request Bernard to escort. Yeah. To Nanda Kumar, International Director, is all the way here from last night. Please come over, sir. I request better off also to come over to the side. Jyoti, please escort her to the dais.
This is the Vice District Governor 318D.
Madam is the Vice District Governor 318D. And the good news is, before beginning the program is, India has won a silver medal in the Olympics. That was the news given by Anil. So it's a wonderful news and we are proud of them. Yeah. And I request IPDG. I request IPDG to welcome the gathering.
Friends, any awards and any programs is happening, whenever there is a guest, always we must proud and privileged to be happy also. Amongst us today was a phone call for 15 days before when I called, immediately has accepted our invite. Fortunately, tomorrow also he is going to inaugurate our schooling for the 21-22. In spite of his busy schedule, past 10 days, yesterday also I was in a cabinet installation program. He is none other than our international director, Nanda Kumar, and also first Vice District Governor during our Rajshekhar period, he is going to be the Governor also, Sushma Nanda Kumar. I, on behalf of Lions District 317F, wholeheartedly, with all your wishes and blessings together, sir, on behalf of Lions District 317F, we will cordially invite you for this evening for the program, sir. We had a 3 minutes of chat together in ISAME Forum at Chennai. Together on that day also with our past President Choi. On that day I met Madam also. That particular day she was telling me on that day, I'm going to contesting for the Vice Governor. I heard that particular day. Then later on, when I traveling to Chicago, all their co-governors told me, Sushma Madam is contesting for the year. Wish you all the very best, Madam. Already you won the election also in your district. So it's very privileged to ourselves today to invite you for this today evening. I will wholeheartedly will invite you for the program. All you know our leader, then Vamshidhar Babu sir. Yes. In the year beginning also we are told, sir, after this session, I will going to invite you again for this evening. Thank you so much. I'm Shanti Madam here. She will join us any time now. I also invite District Governor Lion Manohar Nambiar and first Vice District Governor Lion B.S. Rajshekhar and second Vice District Governor B.S. Nagraj and of my DCS Arvind Shetty, DCT Ajit Babu. Most importantly, GAT Ambassador sitting here now, B.V. Achitanand Reddy sir, Line K.N. Kumar, Line Satnarayan Raju sir, and D. Srinivasan. All my respected leaders of my district. My guests also along with them, Line Ashraf and Sajol, cordially invite you for this evening. Thank you.
Thank you, IPDG. Next part of the program, introduction of International Director Nanda Kumar by Vilas Hegde.
Guys, I'm removing my mask. I request you all to mask up or please don't breathe for some time. Well, dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, lions, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to one and all. I feel a bit guilty today. The reason is a gentleman puts in a great amount of hard work for years and years. All I have to do is just stand here, read a few lines about him, and such an easy job for him. Thanks to DCS and IPDG, Deepak Suman, for giving me such an easy job. Well, jokes apart, ladies and gentlemen, introducing today's chief guest is a true privilege, for he is not only hard-working achiever, but one of the great human beings, hailing straight from the God's own country. Lion VP Nandakumar hails from Thrissur, Kerala state. He was born in 1954 and holds a postgraduate degree in science and additional qualifications in banking and foreign trade. He has attended management development programs for CEOs at IIM Hyderabad and IIM Bangalore. In December 2013, he took part in a global strategic leadership program at the Wharton Business School, USA. He became a Lion in 1981 when he joined the Triparayar Lions Club. Since then, Nandakumar has held numerous offices in Lions, including multiple district council chairperson, board appointee, and member of the LCIF Corporate Foundation and Government Gifts Committee, etc., etc. Lion Nandakumar was elected to serve as International Director of Lions Clubs International in its 102nd International Convention held in Italy in 2019. He has been recently elected as the Chairperson of Lions Coordination Committee of India, LCCIA, and Chairperson of ISAMI Leadership for the year 21 and 22. In recognition of his service, Director Nandakumar received an International President's Leadership Award, an International President's Award, and the Ambassador of Goodwill Award, the highest honor the association bestows upon its members. Director Nandakumar is a second century ambassador and a progressive Melvin Jones Fellow. In this recently concluded board meeting in June 2021, Director Nandakumar got recognized as the one and only $1 million donor. Well now, these were few of his achievements as a Lion, which I believe some of you in the audience would already know about him. Things would get even more interesting now. Ladies and gentlemen, what follows now is Lion Nandakumar as in other areas of life, his achievements in other areas. Lion VP Nandakumar is not only the International Director of Lions, he is also the MD and CEO of Manappuram Finance Limited. In 1992, he incorporated Manappuram Finance Limited, and within 3 years, he managed to get the company listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange. Since then, he has led from front to transform Manappuram Finance Limited into a leading NBFC present across India with 4,637 branches in 28 states and UT, with the assets under management exceeding rupees 27,000 crores and workforce of over 30,000. The humble gentleman standing here in the center of the dais manages 4,637 branches across 28 states and UTs, and a workforce of 30,000 people, and he is with us today. In recent years, Mr. Nandakumar has steered the company's diversification into microfinance, home loans, vehicle finance, SME, and personal lending to reshape the company into a full spectrum NBFC. Today, about 30% of company's total business comes from non-gold side. I guess this was his objective or vision. Director Nandakumar is also in the forefront of service in home district and multiple by implementing an array of service projects through his own foundation, the Manappuram Foundation. In recent months, the foundation has been especially active in COVID-19 relief activities, including donations of essential medical equipment, ICU ventilators for government hospitals, and smartphones and tabs to the deprived school children. Director Nandakumar is also a managing committee member of leading India trade and industry associations such as ASSOCHAM, FICCI, and FIDC. He is also past chairperson of Kerala State Council of CII. In 2017, Director Nandakumar was among 16 finalists nominated for the EY Entrepreneur of the Year Award for India. Lion Nandakumar's achievements in business have earned him national recognition. On May 26, 2018, a special issue of the Business World magazine profiled him as one among the 40 of India's most valuable CEOs. And besides, Manappuram Finance Limited has emerged as one of the leading wealth creators in the Indian stock market. This is the last one. In December 2019, the Economic Times newspaper published the prestigious ET 500 list of top wealth creators for 2019, as recent as 2019, with Manappuram Finance Limited on the top of the chart. Well, to introduce someone of this profile, or a profile of this level, I think we would at least need someone like Ravi Shastri. I'm sorry, this is what I could do. So, presenting to you, Lion VP Nandakumar, the International Director. Thank you, sir.
What an introduction to this tall leader of Lionism. None other than Vilas Hegde, the DC for Peace poster contest. Thank you, Vilas. Sir, we are proud of you, sir. And we are very fortunate to be for being here for the award ceremony. And it's a great privilege. Now it's your time, sir. You can just have a few words. Okay. Right.
Shanti Vamshidhar Babu, madam, please do come to the dais, madam, please. Please come, madam. First function, madam.
Thank you, Shetty, because I am asked to say only few words. I am very much relieved. The chief organizer of this meeting of award ceremony 2021, immediate past district governor, who was really gracious to invite me for this function, Lion MP Deepak Suman, my colleague in the LCI board, whom I have seen working very hard for the cause of service in Lionism, not only in your district, in your state, but in India, Izami, International Director, Lion Vamshidhar Babu. The other leaders who are present here, this year's district governor, Lion Manohar Nabya, first vice district governor, second vice district governor, the right and left hand of the immediate past district governor who is organizing this function, and also who is supporting him in organizing this award ceremony with a hall full of people, ignoring all the protocols. Council Secretary, immediate past district Cabinet Secretary Arvind Dayat Shetty, immediate past Cabinet Treasurer Ajit Babu, and all the colleagues of last year, and the team supporting them this year, and my dear fellow Lions. Thank you at the outset for getting into this function, this award ceremony, which you used to do every year. But this year, it is very peculiar. Why? Because even in spite of a long close down, we were able to render service. Why? You are recognized, you are honored this year with awards for your outstanding work, answering the call. Where there is a need, there is a lion. and you have committed even your life for service. That's why you are recognized. So, movements like ours, largely non-governmental service organizations, NGOs, we do service, and for those who are doing service, they have to be motivated to do more. Anyway, even without motivation, the service can be done only those who have the self-motivation. Last year, the governor, Suman, has done wonderfully well. He could not have done the wonderful contribution in the cause of service without the support of all. He can't reward with money. He can reward his colleagues who have done that from the heart. Today's award is something, a gift coming from his heart. So that has to be valued much beyond money. That's the reason why, in spite of all the difficulties here, we all have assembled today. We know the pandemic we are undergoing for the last 1.5 years, which we have not seen. The humankind have not seen such a terrific pandemic. So, out of this, we have done a lot of service last year. And about LCI, we should know something which we all know. But we have to again and again remind ourselves. Last year, globally, even though we were not able to bring our membership to around 1.5 million, 15 lakhs, not only we were able to maintain that, but also increase the membership by 12,000. And you are aware, India is #1 in membership. And Karnataka has been doing wonderfully well. Under the stewardship of past district governor Lion Krishna Reddy, and also new international director Vamshidhar Bapu. But I think the Karnataka has much more potential to grow. Karnataka is a state which is growing very fast and which has shown the entrepreneurship in all directions, through social enterprises as well as business enterprises, is a good ground. We have a good ground, fertile ground to grow. And service, without money we can't serve. The Lions Clubs International Foundation is supporting us. But now we are on a fundraising program which has not seen during the last 100 years of ever since the birth of LCI. What is that? Campaign 100. What is the purpose of this? The contribution should not be limited to a few, but it should be participative. Everyone should participate. Every member should participate in their donation to LCIF. That's why this campaign 100. You are aware what is meant by campaign 100. It is going to end this year. Last 3 years, which has been further extended, the idea is to raise $300 million. So far, out of even though this year it is going to end this year, we could raise only 70% of that. So this year, before conclusion, we are all pretty sure about it, that we will raise. We are all committed. So we need to raise that. Every member should participate. Every club should participate. and it appears that the room is very sultry. Yeah, everybody is using their hand fan. Yes, I am also feeling the real temperature seen outside, even though it is raining outside. So, I congratulate the award winners. I congratulate the immediate past district governor and his team, who has come forward to recognize every person without exception, who has done it pretty well. And I also thank Vilas Hegde, for his very, very nice introduction about me. Thank you so much. And I wish this year under Manohar Nambiar, it will be, last year most of were meeting virtually. This year let us all hope we will be able to do things meeting physically. We are all worried about the third wave. And I hope all of us sitting here have got the vaccination. And I think this year we'll be able to meet together physically rather than meeting virtually. Once again, thanking the immediate past district governor and the governor, and above all, the wonderful lion I have seen, International Director Vamshidhar Babu, for inviting me, and hope to work with you as the International Director this year, as well as the chairperson of LCCIA, and hoping that I will get all support from you. Thank you so much. Jai Lioness.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful words. I request IPDG Deepak Suman and the dignitaries just to honor both couples, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Now it's our own international director, Vamshidhar Babu, sir. No, okay. He never takes awards or rewards, we all know that. And IPDG wanted to just garland him.
On behalf of the 2020 leaders of 317F, I would like to honor our international director and Vamshidhar Babu sir as well as Shanti madam for this evening only by garland. No gift hampers.
Okay. What a proud moment. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಎರಡು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಒಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ? ನೆವರ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್. ವಂಶಿ ಸರ್, No, please be on the dais. No, I think everybody should be on the dais for a few minutes, and we'll go with the award. It's sir. Sir, you can give this also. Sir, idu kotbidi. Yeah, it's from Manohar Nambiar, sir. Yeah. The final part of the award ceremony. It's all only diamond, 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 and given by director, director, director. So we all will enjoy. Ours is a small district, and it's a wonderful family we are. Right from Narayan sir, 84 years age, sitting over there, with youngster like Leela here and Leos over there. We are a family, and as I know, we feel that we are the best. So we will clap for each and every awards and recognitions, and we will start with the special recognition first. Special recognition means few of them have tired themselves and supported them during our tenure, the whole year. I request, if Muralidhar Hegde is here, he has not taken a single pie. He is a designer, and all this designing and drawing, what you see on this our secretary reporter, the whole year, the banner, what we do, is done by even the directory. He never take money from Lions. I think he has not come today. Thank you, Muralidhar Hegde. His award is here. And next is, second is Vaninath Reddy. Single-handedly he has supported the district with contributing more than 4 lakhs rupees to the directory and in all ways. And all these photos, picture, what you see on the glasses and tiles is given by this great personality, Vaninath Reddy. Thank you, sir. And next is another Shetty, Vittal Shetty. Is he here? This man is always behind screen, and he supports a lot, not only to the IPDG, for all district governors I have seen. And this year he has contributed 2 ACs to our district office, free of cost. That's Vittal Shetty. I think he's not here. Thank you, Vittal Shetty. John Rajesh. I think Governor can say a few words about John Rajesh.
John here? Yeah. Friends, the year was very different, difficult, we used to say different. When we went for activity anywhere, everybody has been dancing the whole year is because of this choreographer, our John. The entire team of district, particularly Lady Lions, have been enjoyed like anything. Not even lifetime they are not enjoyed, I don't know. But the dance like anything with the John. I request John to be kindly receive a small of our token of appreciation award from our international director.
What do you want to say a few words?
My journey as a Lion member started with Lions Club of Devanalli when Lion Deepak Suman used to organize blood donation camps. From there till today, it has been a stupendous journey in Lionism, and today it has been even more memorable to receive such a honor from his hands in the presence of the eminent personalities on the Guru Purnima day. So I dedicate this award to all the Gurus who have mentored me. Thank you.
Thank you, Vani. Next is a wonderful senior member of Lionism, whose handwriting is such a wonderful to you. All the certificate what you receive is written by this great personality, Tippe Swami sir. He is doing this from years and years together. We are honored to be here, sir. Please do come, sir. from years together. Any good handwriting or certificates, if you see, it is from Tippeswamy sir. Thank you, sir. The next is a PDG, a GAT ambassador from another district, G. Srinivasan. I think he is not here. He is a person who has contributed laptops to our district. I think he has given more than 100 laptops over to the district. And thank you, Srinivas, for that. And other personality, I think is here. Gopal Krishna Shetty. Okay, he is the owner of this hotel. He is the owner of Swati Group of Hotels, and this man, he has given this hotel with very, very reasonable cost, and we have conducted 18 programs at this venue. Could you believe? And even today, usual our regular cost was 900 rupees. Then he came to 750 rupees. He said, "Ene madi sir." So he has done it at 600 rupees in the same menu. Thank you, Gopalanda. Thanks for everything. And another lady, a new lion of our district, Lavanya. So I should say, you want to say something?
Friends, within a 1 hour's time, any of my invite, templates, banner, DCS report, anything matters. Over the 1 hour of time, she has single-handedly supported me the whole year, I tell you. No words to express the small way of our show the respect, her commitment towards organization. Young Lion made a difference in the society.
She is the daughter of Nagamani Madam. President of Spandana Lioness, and she is a member of Spandana Lioness. And that secretary report, each and every page is edited and done by her and supported by Bernard Chit. Next is Alphonse Kurian, another bloodsucker. Where is he? Is there? Okay. So you know, everybody know about Alphonse Kurian and his service. And another man who has supported this series, whether it is Gana Lahari or any Zoom program, was supported by a staff, I think I should say staff of Simha Shastri sir, Shankar. We are very thankful to you, Shankar. Please come out to the dais. And you will get a gift voucher from our governor. And they have not taken a single pie, and he has done the whole service hours together to us. And all these arrangements is done by, yes, done by Shankar. Thank you, Shankar. Thank you so much. Simana Banni. Okay. See, she is so proud of him. So nice. And last but not the least, Dr. Shalmili. Where are you? See, I think you have heard her. A senior dance, she's a homeopathy doctor and what not, and a wonderful woman. Congratulations. An award and a gift voucher to Shalmili. Thank you, Shalmili. And now the next part, special recognition is done. I request our past ADCT, sir, please come to the dais, and ADCS also. Ravichandran sir. Narsimurthy sir, please. The two duos who has done a lot of service, and yes, because I didn't know much about Lionism. These are the people who have supported me, whether it's minutes of the meeting, whether any technical issue. They're wonderful hearts, you know. They never disturb me, and they were with me for each and everything what I have done. Thank you so much, sir. I think Governor can recognize. Murthy sir, right? Ravichandran. Satish, Chairman, DC for Sports. Please come, you can take your international certificates. Rajesh, GLT coordinator of last year, a successful man. Please come, sir. Vilas Hegde. Bit fast. Well, please. So, yeah. So we'll go to the award ceremony. Bernard, you already there? Yeah. ADCT and ADCS are here, please. A big round of applause to this beautiful gentleman. Ajit, you can just move on a bit. Next is DG coordinators. Yudhishthira, Bernard Chetty, G. Venkatesh sir, Lakshmi Bhagavat madam. G. Venkatesh. Next is a proud man and who has made our district very proud, LCF coordinator Vijay Kumar. Can you believe he is such a small district? 11 model clubs and 75 MJF and PMJF. I request GLT coordinator Rajesh to take your next award. A diamond award. During this Corona period, he has conducted the leadership program differently and he has put a lot of effort, the 20 series of programs. Congratulations, Rajesh. B.S. Nagaraj sir, GMT coordinator. A perfectionist. With all those droppings, still we are positive for the year 2021. Thank you. Anil Kumar. GST coordinator Anil Kumar. First man to start 2021 hunger program at railway station Majestic. Next is advisors. B. Mohan sir is not here. Giridhar sir, please. A guide, a philosopher, a very close friend, all in one, a package. Thank you, Giri, for what you are and for all your support. Next is our one man, leader of our district governor, C.K. Manohar Nambiar sir. Yes, it's a recognition for the support you have given us throughout the year. Very soft spoken and very supportive, and we assure you that we are always there with you during your term. And next is our Vice District Governor, and now his first Vice District Governor, Rajshekharaya sir. I think he needs much more big applause, I believe. And I'm afraid International Director Vamshidhar Babu says it's not an award, it's just a recognition for the support you have given. Even today, if I have done this agenda, it's because of you. International Director helping me in this agenda means, could you believe? Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. A small way of recognizing.
The recognition goes like this, very simple wording, not much of wordings were given to them. Your experience and guidance made a difference in the district achieving in new heights for the year 2021.
It goes to the couple, including Shanti madam. And now I would request our past pride, our past district ambassador, past district governors, one by one. Srinivasan sir? Yeah, please sir. Somebody help him out, please. This is Lionism, what I wanted to say. This is what I was explaining earlier. Achyutananda Reddy sir. K.N. Kumar sir. All be on the stage together. K.N. Kumar sir. Venkatachalam sir is not there. Kumar sir. N. Kumar. Satyanarayan Raju sir. All PDGs join together on stage. So we'll have a beautiful photo with two international directors. A very rare photo, you can see. Any PDs, if I left out, not read all the names, please come out to the dais. So be on the stage. The next one can take the award, sir. It's our honor and privilege to recognize you, and we'll have a group photo together. Yeah. Next, Blake. Saleri sir. Satyanarayan Raju. Narayan sir, you can come forward. So we need it here. Okay. Sir, just stand. Ilmani sir. Thank you, sir. As I said, it's an honor. Thanks for the applause. I request Narayan sir just come on. Next category, Diamond Award for Scrapbook, and all awards has been sponsored by Narayan sir. Somebody help him out, please. Diamond Award for Scrapbook, Lions Club of Bangalore North. Please, sir. A wonderfully designed scrapbook. Please, sir. Again, I said all these awards are sponsored by Narayan, sir. Please, sir. Diamond Award is. And now it's next is e-scrapbook. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And e-scrapbook Diamond Award goes to Lions Club of Bangalore, Jaya Mahal. President, Shiva Prasad, you are there? Yes. A wonderfully completed year by my own club. I am so happy and proud. President, Secretary and Treasurer, successfully done. And this guy is my classmate, Shiva Prasad, during my 10th standard. The trios, Shiva Prasad, Purnesh. Now next is the DC Diamond Award. DC Diamond Award. I'll go on. Again the first name has come over to Jayamal again here. N.R. Hegde. DC for Kannada and Culture, Urban. N.R. Hegde. Sir, Bunny. I believe he has contributed spent more than around 2 lakhs for the events he has done, even whether it's Gana Lahari or the Rajyotsava program. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Next is Usha Kumari Madam, DC for Quest Coordination. I think Ajita and Priya can take this. The son and the daughter-in-law duo. And this Quest program has appeared twice in international magazine. And thanks to Usha Kumari Madam. Next is P. Venugopal, Relieving Hunger Coordinator. Ramanji and Nagaraj Shetty. Try all three to come together, please. Diamond Award for Hunger Disease. Mani sir, Nagaraj Shetty sir, Ramanji sir, they three to come together. There are only 10 awards in diamond category, and all three have taken up these awards. All three, please. Mundogi. The next name is Akash Suvarna for blood collections. What a wonderful job has been done. Every day, morning and evening. Awareness on blood donation. Great job done, Akash. Thank you. Congratulations. A Diamond Award for DC blood donation. Akash A. Suvarna. Kalyani Madam, next is yours. Hope you can get up from your chair. She's there? She's not there? Okay. Great job done by Kalyani Madam also. And next is again the peace poster man, Vilas Hegde. He has conducted peace posters differently. And next to this is Chinnappa Thomas. Speciality, DC for Speciality Club. And one of the sponsors for today's program, Chinnappa Thomas from Shikshana. And last but not the least, thank you, Vilas, as good as Ravi Shastri. And here the big man for the Diamond Award, Raju Chandrasekhar sir, for Public Relation Officer, and for the wonderful program you have done and for the support. Please come, sir. Now there are only 10 awards left out. It's like our Gutbud in Bangalore side. We'll have this Gutbud. We'll have all types of ice cream, and at the bottom you'll have dry fruits and nuts. And this is the beauty what you see. And the next category, sir. So our special recognized person, the owner of he's a very simple man, Gopal Krishna Shetty. Sir, please come out to the dais. I just wanted to tell who he is, because Swati is such a big name and he's so simple and very planned and such a systematic person. Gopal Krishna Shetty, sir. And we are very fortunate, sir. A very good orator, a great donor also. And it's a hospitality, Swati hospitality. And he is having around 24 outlets in Bangalore. And he is the man. And thank you, sir. Yeah, he is having more than around 10,000 workers below him. Thank you, sir. Thanks for everything. Thanks a lot. And next, the wonderful great award. Sir. The ZC Diamond Award goes to Venkata Narasimhulu, LCB Sheshadripuram, and this man deserves much, much, much more, I should say. 2 new clubs, so many new members, and he is an asset to this district. Thank you, Venkata Narasimhulu, sir. We are proud of you, sir. And so soft and down to earth. Venkata Narasimhulu. And the RC Diamond Award. I'll wait for a while till this great man goes off the stage. Yes. The lion of the district, Simha Shastri. Simha Shastri, for the great service, whether it is a cancer or oximeter or oxygen, he has done it from his heart. Thank you, Simha Shastri, sir. Thank you so much. And all this backdrop, everything was designed by him. No, done by him. And designed by Muralidhar Hegde. And now we will go to the club level PST Award, the President, Secretary, Treasurer, Diamond Award. I'll start with the Treasurer. Best Treasurer Diamond Award goes to Rajshekhar KM of LCB Sheshadripuram. Rajshekhar, sir. Yes. Very proactive and stubborn also. He needs what you want like. He is the person who has contributed this ZC Venkata Narasimhulu to this team. Rajshekhar KM. Now, I will call up the Secretary, Diamond Award Secretary of the district for 2020-21 is Ramya Shekhar from LCB Bandhavia. So this lady never allows the secretary of the district to sit and work. She is always having questions and she always works. And at the end she asked me whether I should send a report for the month of July. Such is this lady. Wonderful job done, madam. And she's a newcomer. She's not an old member. And a great job done. And the Diamond Award goes to Ramya Shekhar. Yeah, Governor is giving a silver coin also along with this award. And even I didn't know that he is doing all these things. Wonderful. Just show that to the sir. Yeah, this is a silver ever coin given to all the diamond awardees, PSTs. And now the president, what we are waiting for. Yes, R.S. Manjunath from Lions Club of Dodballapur. The way he conducts program, and the DG visit I had gone, I thought I had gone for a Jatre like. That was the way, not only the president, all the members of LCB, sorry, Dodballapur Club, they deserve a long big of applause. And he is the best president, a diamond president. And if you need a photo, you can join here. Bani sir, Natarajan sir. Bega. Okay, only president is okay. Right. Okay. Thank you. Next. Congratulations all the PSTs, ZC, RCL for the Diamond Award. And the last part is here. Top 10 Diamond Award clubs. I'll go on the reverse order. Oh, Bernard, this is ready there? Yes. 10th top club is Lions Club of Bangalore North. Please. Under the great leadership of Dr. Chandrasekhar Shetty, they had a huge celebration, 50th year. And what a Lions Club of Bangalore North. Senior members, senior club, wonderful activities. All those awards what they have won is been given together. And the 9th place goes to Lions Club of Bangalore, Samarpan. Samarpan Lions. Bangalore North. Samarpan, Melbourne, let them come here. So they can take the award and stand for a photo down like, I think so. Okay, right. The president and the secretary over here. 9th place, Lions Club of Bangalore, Samarpan. President Shashi Venkat. Congratulations, Secretary Archana and the President Shashi Venkat. And next is the 8th place goes to Lions Club of Bandhavia, LCB Bandhavia, President Veena Ravi. And everybody can join from Lions Club of Bandhavia. Veena Ravi, Ramya Shekhar and Shaila Ravi. Go to the other side. Shaila. Ache hogi. Okay. I request DC for statistics, Devraj, wherever you are, please come out to the dais. Sorry, I forgot. Please come. This man has done so much of, I think nobody knows the amount of work he does for the statistics and all this. He's maintained such a huge book, and each page is for one club line. Please come, Devraj. Next is Lions Club of Aditya Nagar. Seventh place, Lions Club of Aditya Nagar. With our Astri, our governor's home club. President Puttige Venkatramana, Secretary, a teacher Lion Nalini Parameshwaran, and Treasurer K.A. Devraj. Next is for the sixth place, the President Manon Mani, Secretary Leelavati Ajit, and Treasurer B. Santosh. And next is the fifth place. Fifth place goes to Lions Club of Dodballapur, LCB Dodballapur. Manjunath sir. President R.S. Manjunath, Secretary Melkote Ramaya Srinivas, and Treasurer H.K. Natraj. Great club, proud of our district, Lions Club of Dodballapur. Stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. And the fourth place, goes to Lions Club of Bangalore Jaya Mahal. Bangalore Jaya Mahal stands on the fourth place. President Shiv Prasad. The President PM Shiv Prasad, Secretary Sharat Satur, and Treasurer M.H. Purnesh. You. The third place goes to Lions Club of Bangalore Phoenix. Phoenix. President Shasha Kulatangan, Secretary Mohammad Shoaib, and the Treasurer Shreyas. Now I think we need a big applause because only nuts are remaining at the bottom of Gadbad. And the second place goes to Lions Club of Sundarnagar. The President T. Suresh and Secretary Lakshmish and Treasurer Ramesh, with the support of senior leaders and with Leela Krishna amongst them. And from next year onwards, this club will be called Lions Club of Dodbama and this will be the last year for Sundar Nagar's name, only for the name. Thank you. And now the first place. And for the first place goes to Lions Club of Shikshana. One second. Congratulations, Shikshana. The best club banner is there. I think they have kept it somewhere here because ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಟ್ಟಾಗೆ they are searching around. By vote of thanks we'll get it, we'll finish it off. to give his remarks, and he has an announcement also. Over to District Governor.
Presiding officer, dignitaries, on and off the dais, dear Lions. It's a wonderful award ceremony. We have been witnessing it for all these years. This year, as governor, past district governor has told that it is a different year. We are done. In Lions there is no losers. We are all winners. In service there is no losers. So I congratulate all the Lions who was assembled here, as well as who has not assembled here, and all the best to you. And this is an encouragement for having done wonderfully this last year, and it is also an encouragement for what is to be done in the future too. So all the best to you. I have an announcement that all the PSTs and first VPs of the year 21-22, there is a schooling tomorrow. You all aware of that. Please be there by 8 o'clock in the morning. It's a whole day schooling from right from 8:30 to 6 o'clock. You have to be there. We have made all elaborate arrangement, and all the COVID protocols will be followed. And please be there by 8:30. And thank you very much. All the best.
Friends, the program is going to be coming to an end, but still there is two more awards to be placed for the year. One is from my friendship to the mentorship to the leadership. As I mentioned every time, friendship is the one makes everybody always, friendship is the best medicine of life. I never felt is my DCT or DCS, but Ajit Babu stood with me for each and everything for the whole year. He shared each and everything to me. I learned a lot of things during my tenure as a governor, maybe the administration and the service everywhere. I must hand over this small memento for him. Let Ajit Babu, Priya Ajit come together to collect this. As a beginning, I told you, the honor of your service and the above and beyond is not a matchless. I request Lion Ajit Babu, KS, PMJF, kindly collect this award for the year 2021. As a journey of mine is a year 2020, I requested with my behalf of my Bangalore Jaim Hall, my home club, I want a cabinet secretary for my home club. That none other than man of the year, Lion Arvind A. Shetty. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ವರ್ಷದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಾದರೂ ಸಹ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್, everything is a different in the year is because of his leadership and his commitment towards organization. The one word already I mentioned in the report of the secretary's report is the Kannada goes like this: ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರೆ ನೋವಾಗಬಾರದು, ಸ್ನೇಹ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದೂರವಾಗಬಾರದು, ನುಡಿದರೆ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪಬಾರದು. There's a wonderful gentleman along me, is Lion Arvind A. Shetty. Ajit Babu is here. I request all the members of Shikshana, please do come and receive a banner now. because banner is kept as suspensely. No, none of them they didn't know, but I didn't know. But lastly, only today, Arvind Shetty told me the banner was kept in the vehicle. ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. Everything has been done by Arvind Shetty and Devraj, Ajit Babu.
Thank you so much. Now there are just 4 minutes left. Okay. I request Rajshekhar sir, as a protocol, please, your remarks and if you want to say something.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. This is the occasion where district governor recognized the cabinet officers and club officer who done wonderful work in this year. I hope each one and all the wonderful lions who are supported last year 2020 and 21, even in this last pandemic situation also you are supported well. That support is needed for every year in the future years too. I wish all the best to all the lions of our wonderful district 317F. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajshekhar sir. Thank you so much. The year is not end. Our term is coming to an end. And the last part of the program, and before that, I would like to say, being a lion or a DCS, I have gained a lot. Your love and affection, a better friendship with the governor, and a wonderful human being like Ajit, and a great guide with Vamshidhar Babu. Thank you each and every members for supporting me in each and every endeavor and efforts I have put, and thanks for all your efforts, and I will go ahead with the vote of thanks. And this award is all 1882 members of our district. Thank you so much. Presiding officer Deepak Suman and dignitaries, because they're tired of standing for nearly 1 hour, and we are exactly on time. And just within 10 minutes, we are closing this ceremony. And more than just 2 minutes, I'll finish off a little confusion. But not clear, na? Everything is done. Governor, another 2 minutes, you should be on the dais. Sindhu also. And the best part is, we select the best lion of for the year and one another. The wonderful part between us was, we have selected the same award, what he had given to me. I think I'll have to return it to him. Like, such is the award, what has happened. And the same award was selected by me, and he too has brought the same. We both didn't know about that. And I request Ajit, please come. Yeah, it's to the governor. I request Priya. Bernard, you can come over. And on behalf of all the members of our district, I would like to hand over this to our successful Corona governor. He was done differently in a different year. Congratulations to you, and especially to the First Lady who has done a great job. It's all the very best to you. Deepak. Thank you so much, sir. and I'll finish off the vote of thanks with a few words like, I would like to thank our district governor for organizing such a wonderful award ceremony. Everything was on time, and I congratulate all the winners, whether it's silver, gold, or whatever it is. It is just a way to recognize, but you all are wonderful and have done a great job, whether it's a club or RC or a ZC. Thanks for being here and receiving your award. I would like to thank International Director Nandakumar sir for being here with us and recognizing us. We are thankful, and again I say on behalf of all the members of our district, I thank you for being with us, and especially thank you madam for being with us. We are very fortunate. Thanks a lot. And I, on behalf of our district governor and members, would like to thank our leader, District International Director Vamshidhar Babu sir. Thank you sir for everything. I have told several times, but you are something different sir. Thank you so much. I would like to thank our district governor Manohar Nambiar sir. I really appreciate you being here for such a long time. You said you will go within an hour. Hope you enjoyed our, whatever we have given. Like, thank you so much. And Jija, we missed Jija over here. Thanks to Jija madam also. I would like to thank, pardon sir? Okay. Yeah, I would like to thank all past district governors who are here, and all the great leaders, and all Giridhar sir is here, and most of them are here. I think I am as per the protocol. And Vice District Governor Rajshekhar sir, a very close person to my heart. Our own member Nagraj sir for being with us and supporting. He said, and for all your support, this has happened today. Like as I said, past district governor, LCF coordinator Vijay Kumar, all GAT coordinator Rajesh and Anil who are there, and each and every member who are here. And in between, I want to spell a few names, I'll tell you. Mohan sir for all his advice. As he's not here, he said he will be coming late. And a special I want to do is thanks to our ADCT and ADCS for the reading and coming. And special thanks to Bernard Chetty and the team, the people who see. Could you just come out the stage? This team has worked a lot.
IT team.
Worked a lot. Yeah, this award team was there with Bernard Chetty leading. And thanks Priya, Leela Krishna, Shobha Madam, Glory Victor, Devata, Archana Nadela, Shaila Ramurthy, Vani Raju, and Leo Naveen, and Sani, our governor's son Sani. Where are you? Okay. Thank you so much. This is the team. A big round of applause. I think it went on very well and it was arranged properly. Thank you. Just come out and we'll have a photo over here, please. Yes, I'll go ahead. Please come. My special thanks to this great girl, Dr. Shalmili, for her wonderful performance on the stage, the dance, the welcome dance. Thank you so much, Shalmili. God bless you. You have all wishes from all our members. All the very best to you. And I would like to thank Akash Suvarna for the awards and for the sponsoring this fellowship, and Raju Chandrasekhar sir for contributing towards the function. And I would like to thank Bernard R. Chetty. Because of him, we are seeing all this on the YouTube. Thank you, Bernard. Thank you, Narayan sir, for sponsoring the awards, scrap awards. And I would like to thank, I request Shanti madam just to come out to the dais to receive this recognition. Sorry if I missed somewhere.
The one portfolio could not able to travel international twinning for the last year 2021. On behalf of that, madam has convinced me, don't worry Deepak, whenever there is a travel, I will take care of your travel. She has given me a 100% signal on that. That's why this award goes to Madam, Kindness Award for the year 2021. Please do come.
Thank you, Shanti Madam. I would like to thank Chinnappa Thomas for contributing for this program, and special thanks to Simha Shastri sir. Simha Shastri sir, for this Zoom link what you have provided. Thank you so much. Not only today, on the all the Gana Lahari, he has done the link. And before concluding, I would like to thank Lavanya, as I said earlier, for the wonderful PowerPoint programs and presentation, digital editorial. Thank you, Bernard Shetty. I would like to thank all the members who are here today. We have a wonderful food and fellowship. We'll enjoy. Thank you. Hope I have not left anybody. I'm sorry if I have left anybody over there. Thank you. Long live Lainism. God bless.
Friends, adjourn this award night with a satisfied